Hello, lovely people. I am glad that you're here on my channel today. And in today's video, we are going to see how to make baby booties as well as a handbag from a single pattern. So, this is the pattern I'm gonna show you the step-by-step tutorial. So guys, this pattern is basically using single crochet. If you are a beginner, you can absolutely do this pattern because it is beginner friendly and it is quite easy as well. So you can check out my videos on basics. I will provide you the link here. So for this, we would need an acrylic yarn, a scissor and a crochet hook of size 3 mm or 2.5 mm. So let's get started. Take the tail end of the yarn and make a slip knot. So you have many ways to make a slip knot. So choose the way in which you are comfortable with and then make chain 25. If you are a beginner, you can check out my videos on crochet basics. I will provide you the link in the description box. You can go and check it out. So I'll meet you once I'm done with chain 25. Here I'm done with chain 25 and I'm gonna skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain and make a single crochet, that is yarn over, pull through. We have two loops here and then yarn over, pull through the two loops. So this forms a single crochet, and similarly we have to make uh, 23 more single crochets because out of 25 chains we have skipped the first chain, so we'll have 24, and in the 24 we have to make the single crochet. So I'll show you a few more times like how to make this. So we have this chain, right? Insert the hook into the upper strand of the chain and yarn over, pull through the loop and yarn over, pull through the two loops. So this is the pattern we have to repeat till the end. I will meet you once I complete remaining chain spaces. So here I have completed 24 chains. Then we have to make chain 1, flip the pattern, and this is the back side of the single crochet. Now we have to make single crochet in each of the chain space but at the back loop. So if you see, look at the chain. So obviously we have to skip the first chain space and into the second chain space we have two loops, the front loop and the back loop. So what we have to do is we have to insert into the back loop. So that is the back loop. So once inserted, yarn over, pull through and yarn over, pull through the two loops. So we have to make single crochet at the back loops. So repeat this pattern till the end and I will show you how to flip there. So guys, we are at the last chain. So I'm making the last single crochet for this row. Once I'm done with it, making chain 1, flip the pattern and I'm gonna make single crochet in the same way, that is insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the two loops. So this is the pattern I'm going to follow and we are at row number 3. So I'm gonna do this up to row number 10 and I will meet you once I'm done with 10 rows. We have completed 10 rounds here, that is 10 rows, and I'm making chain 1, flip, and start making single crochet into each of the chain space until we have 16 SCs, that is 16 single crochet. So I have made 16 single crochet here, then make chain 1 and flip. So now we have to repeat the same thing, that is we have to make single crochet 16 single crochet only in the back loop. So continue to do this for 18 more times. So in total we should have 19 rows of 16 single crochet. So guys, I have completed 19 rows and this is how the pattern looks. So now we have to repeat the base pattern, that is we have to make uh, 10 rows of 24 single crochet. So currently we have 16 single crochet. We have to make 9 more chains here. So once 9 chains are done, skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain. Start creating single crochet on the back loop and continue to do this for the 8 chains we just created, and we already have 16 chains on the row. So 8 plus 16, that will give 24 single crochet in this row. So this is row number 30, and we have to complete this row and then make chain 1, flip, and create 24 single crochet, and that will be row 31. So we have to make 10 rows in total. So at the end of the 10 rows we should be having 39 rows in total. So once row number 30 is complete, make chain 1, flip, and then start making single crochet. So in row number 31 we should be having 24 single crochet. So guys, this is how the finished pattern looks. So we just did 10 rows of 24 SC and then 19 rows of 16 SC and then again 10 rows of 24 SC. So I have made two such patterns. I'm going to show you how to make a baby booties as well as a mini handbag with this. So just pull the um, yarn to about 20 to 30 centimeters and then cut the yarn. Now insert the yarn into a sewing needle and then pattern like this so that the uh, larger ends come together, and then take the corners together and start sewing it. So we have to match the chains on each side and then start sewing it. So this is how we can make a knot at the corner. So once the knot is done, so start sewing it. Take the loop from one end and insert it to the other end and start sewing it. So in this way we have to complete the entire L shape. So once you come to the base of the L shape, So we have to, instead of sewing it together, we have to make a loop. We have to create a loop. So for that, take the needle through alternative stitches and then complete it till the other side. Now pull through the yarn so that it shrinks and just forms a uh, bow kind of a puff. Then we can make a knot over here. So we have to make another puff kind of stitch on the top as well. So for that, take the needle through alternate chains and then tie them together. Make it very tight so it will form a bow kind of pattern. So let's flip and see how the baby booties look. So you can fold the top part and you can also decorate with whatever ways you would want to. I hope you found this step by step process easy to follow. And now let's see how to make the mini handbag with the other pattern. So similarly, insert the yarn into the needle and make a knot at the corner. So now let's see how we will fold the pattern to make it into a bag. So this is how we need to fold and start stitching the ends together. So I'm gonna stitch through this length, beginning with the corner. So here I'm done with this entire length, and I'm gonna make the bottom of the bag stitch together. So here I am trying to hide the loose ends using the crochet hook. So once you're done with the stitching part, you will cut the yarn and will have some loose ends, right? So those ends can be uh, hidden using the crochet hook. You just have to insert them into adjacent loops and repeat this for 4 to 5 times, and then you can cut the excess yarn. So that's it, our cute mini bag is ready. You can flip it and see how it looks. Now that we have to just make a button and a loop here, so here I'm attaching a button at the center part, and then I will work on the handle now. Insert the hook into the side of the bag and pull the yarn, then make a chain stitch. So this is basically our slip stitch, and continue to make 45 chains. So now connect the chain on the other side of the bag. Same way, insert the hook from inside and then make a chain stitch there. Now we have to make slip stitch into each of the chain spaces. So for that, insert into the next chain space, grab the yarn and pull through the loop. So this way you have to complete 45 chains with the slip stitch. I have attached a button at the center of the bag. Now we have to make a loop so that it holds the button securely. So for that, take the center part of the bag and create a chain stitch here. Now make 6 chains and check if it can hold the button. So 6 chains are enough. Then leave 2 chain space and insert the hook into the third chain space and create a slip stitch. And then pull the yarn a little bit and cut the yarn. And using the crochet hook, uh, just weave in the loose end into the adjacent stitches and you can cut the excess yarn. Our beautiful mini handbag is also ready now. So you can attach a button or a crochet flower or any other decorative item in place of this golden button. And this can be used as a gift for kids, and it can also be used to save your teeny tiny treasures. And I hope you like this video and the steps I have explained in this video. uh, Please give a thumbs up if you really like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.